A major healthcare disruption has hit Maharashtra with over 2 lakh allopathic doctors observing a 24-hour strike against the state government's proposal to grant Maharashtra Medical Council registration to CCMP qualified BHMS practitioners. As OPD services remain affected across the state, the Maharashtra government is now set to hold a crucial meeting to break the deadlock. And WION's Disha Yadav gets us this ground report.
A policy decision aimed at expanding healthcare access has triggered one of Maharashtra's biggest medical protests in recent years. More than 2 lakh allopathic doctors have joined a 24-hour statewide strike, protesting the state's proposal to grant Maharashtra Medical Council registration to CCMP qualified BHMS practitioners. The strike has been called by the Indian Medical Association of Maharashtra with support from other medical groups and doctors from government, civic and private hospitals. Doctors insist they are not protesting against homeopathy, but against what they call crosspathy, which allows practitioners trained in one system of medicine to practice another through a bridge course. They argue that granting MMC registration to CCMP qualified BHMS practitioners would dilute medical education standards, weaken the integrity of medical regulation and pose risks to patient safety.
We are getting the degree after 5.5 years of course. Now government is planning to give the same degree through the CCMP degree holder. So the BHMS, the homeopathy doctors, they will do a 1 year of bridge course. It's a certificate course on modern medicine. Okay, so that is a 1 year of course. After that, they are getting the MMC registration, which is equivalent to our registration, our degree. So that training is not equivalent, right? It is a 5.5 year of course, and this is a 1 year of course. So course is not equivalent, training is not equivalent, but the degree is equivalent.
The dispute centers on practitioners holding a BHMS degree who have also completed the certificate course in modern pharmacology. The Maharashtra government is considering granting them registration under the state's medical council. Allopathic doctors argue that the government should wait until the Bombay High Court delivers its final verdict before implementing any such move.
When we was in MBBS curriculum, we get thought that how the drug act, like there's a mechanism of action, adverse drug reaction, how they go in your body, how they react and how they act. But they don't know. They are from their own practice. So thing was ki if anything happened, who will be responsible for that? The patient who will know the exact cause. We have no exact definition, exact thing. So we will go for that na. So you practice. We respect all medical fraternities, but you stay in your own division na.
Starting August 5th, resident doctors across several hospitals will be suspending routine OPD services only in Mumbai until their demands are met. Amid the escalating protest, the Maharashtra government is expected to hold a crucial meeting with senior officials and stakeholders to discuss the controversy and explore a possible resolution. The outcome of the meeting could determine whether the proposed registration process moves forward or whether the government pauses the decision with legal proceedings still in continuation.
These protesting doctors, they say that the major reason for them is that 1 year of course cannot be equated to a 5 or a 6 year MBBS degree. They also say that this might also put patients into a risk zone if all the homeopathy doctors do end up giving wrong medicine for the treatment which is needed. So now, to bring a deadlock to this entire situation, Maharashtra government is planning to hold a crucial meeting between the representatives of both the homeopathy as well as allopathy doctors in a day or two. With video journalist Mangesh, this is Disha reporting here for WION from Mumbai.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.